Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Yaterere. Ene muri yoria niki thirikari. Gutire mundu wi thiini wa thirikari ari arakungwira mundu gwetwo Truphena Muthoni kuma Nyeri. Andu aria angi othe ni maramukungwira. Truphena ni trend thiini wa bururi wa Kenya yothe. No gutire mundu wi thirikari ni arakungwira mundu gwetwo Truphena kana mwiritu ucio ugwetwo Truphena. On ministry ya environment CS na PS gutire mundu uramukungwira. Eni mwene kikorathio mutongoria wa bururi tithora nake mukungwira. Andu ame thiini wa regime eno gutire mundu uramukungwira. In fact, even our leaders ame mwena ucio wa thirikari Agikuyu ame mwena wa thirikari gutire mundu uri urakungwira Truphena. Eni mwene ki na mukomaka. This regime tukimethura ithui Agikuyu mwaka wa 2022 kitutonaga red flag maya mothe. By the way, ni tweragwo no tutiakigwire. No riri the problem ni gucokera mehia ni mehia to macokera. Now Truphena thenya wa muthi negia thiini wa Guinness Book of Record niondo ni ahigia matha 72 kana nafuja record yake kuiberia muti matha maria maingi muno thiini wa thi ngima matha 72. By the way, it's not a joke. Kigomano giki Truphena kana undu uyu Truphena ekire kana arekire kuria Nyeri office kana kuria office cia county government ya kuria Nyeri. Undu uyu ndari awikire bururi wa Kenya, ari awikire bururi wa Brazil. Na Truphena Muthoni na family na andu amurigicairie ni mambeirie process yo ya process visas and so on, maundu maria mothe mafatanaga igetha athie Brazil, igetha mathiko athie thiini wa competition thiini wa Brazil kana thiini wa bururi wa Brazil. No thirikari eno makimudireithia CS na PS ya thiini wa ugete environment makimudireithia matia process ile visas yake on time na maundu maria mendekanaga matia process ile on time. Ati maundu maya mothe ma process ile hegweno matha mathirite muno. Truphena ni aririe on 30th November mwaka uyu. Nao neguo Truphena augire ena frustration nyingi muno na ha nio augire atiriri eguthi gwe county government na githia kiaria na governor wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga na governor wa Nyeri akimwetikire. And by the way, thank you so much governor wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga, at least you did something. Ni kuona post ino ni 30th November na ya post ni Truphena Muthoni. Remember, as we speak FB yake ni era grunite ene muno. As we speak ena 176,000 followers na muthenya wa ira arena 24 followers, but as we speak ena 176,000 followers. Truphena Muthoni augire with 30th November. Sometimes the systems meant to support us are the same ones that fail us. Kigo, this year Ministry of Environment system did not work for me. Ministry ya Environment dekiro ya fatranaga. My accreditation came late. My member of county assembly had to physically swipe her badge for the process to move. By the time clearance arrived, the timelines for travel were no longer humanly possible. Visas delayed, long layovers, unpredictable routes. Even diplomats from both Brazil and Kenya made desperate intervention. Truphena kauga ona diplomats akuma kuria mwena wa Brazil na Kenya ni mageririe juu chini, no gutiri ndu wathire na mbere because of what? Failed system. This regime mwene ndakaraga muno. By the way, era weshiri horo wa regime eno. Everyone had invested on this journey since March. Journalists, engineers communities, climate defenders, youth, mothers, elders, all of them pushing, hoping, believing, and that is exactly why stopping was never an option. When I shared that maybe I will shift the world record attempt to the next COP, my county governor, His Excellency Mwalimu Thirîkari, looked at me and said, "My daughter, do not skip 25 projects. Do not postpone your purpose. Go on, because this is bigger than borders, bigger than paperwork, bigger than me." Ugo niguo Thirîkari amwirire. Truphena akadea na kuga the Kuriombas, the Kuriombo, we kile huthite thungu hani kirito we the Kuriombolas, my family in spirit, my teacher in courage, have been sending me voice notes filled with strength, ancestral energy, and unshakable love. They remind me every day of my maternal force, of our ancient mothers, and resilience of resistance communities, and the living heartbeat of forests that hold our histories. Their support traveled across oceans. Their light reached me even when flight could not. I cannot give up because of Quirongbolas. I walk with them, I stand for them, and this world record is for me, no matter where it takes place. Nakaweta Malji Peyton did a 1 week tree hug and so on and so forth. Kogwo, in short, mundu witwo Truphena Muthoni arauga o thirikari ino, ministry ya environment, they failed her. This regime, by the way, adio tugeria tia ohoro hayo, they failed this girl. Riu ni break world record. Matiraria no gukira makirite. Matinona effort yo kana imarona tari uri Truphena areka yet giko giki kia kuhimberia miti ni giko ya agitariria ga musriko ne kuonania tufatie kugitira our environment. She's Wangari Maathai as we speak, adu maramurigithania na Wangari Maathai, and this government merito erutirio na gufundithia adu ohoro wa gwikoria kugitira environment. Goti undu makiuga. Why? Now, kwena company iria cirutaire na njira nene muno, kwena company ya Odibet, by the way, nituona Odibet ni maheire Truphena milioni 1. That was great, and by the way, ni wega gwi company iyo ni kire wega. Dama wa mobile spares nituona ni aheire mundu witwo Truphena Samsung Z Fold, thimo ya Samsung Z Fold. Kwena company ingi cirutaire, kwena Mr Jambo Cabo ni amweta trip, kwena company ingi ciambitie kwiyumiria go support mwairuti uyu. Toro uguo as we speak, page yake ya Facebook niyo iragurwo na rate area nene muno thini wa bũrũri wa Kenya. Ndamwira muthenya wa ira na 24,000 followers, but as we speak ina 176,000 followers. Ni page irakura na njira nene muno, ni uria kana giko kiu mundu gwitwo Truphena ekite. And that's why, by the way, I stand here. That's why I normally sit here. Hego thirikari ino ereka maundu maria matafatie no wega tumerage, because they are failing us. Their ministries, no one ministry has failed mundu gwitwo Truphena, and that's why they're not congratulating her. But then Kenyans ni mwaire undu uyu na maga congratulate miritu ugwitwo Truphena. Woko ni kwa podcast mwene manyimareko inywe mronatia. Thank you, Governmental marathime guys. This is what it is. Kwani ikonini. Thank you, Governmental marathime.